Coil press for transformer coil axial compaction and shaping. It improves coil tightness and mechanical stability during production. Designed to enhance anti-short circuit performance of transformer coils. 4-column hydraulic structure ensures stable and reliable operation. The pressure is generated from internal hydraulic system for high efficiency. Upper platen groove design adapts to different coil diameters. Adjustable pressure control meets different transformer requirements. Motor-driven flat car ensures precise coil positioning. Widely used in power transformer and distribution transformer manufacturing. Improves axial dimension accuracy and overall coil quality. Enhances production efficiency and operational safety. Contact us for technical support and customized solutions.